the CBS Broadcast Center in Los Angeles, this is CBS 2 News at 6 p.m.
And a new local community is going high-tech to get you a beer.
Well, check this out. The future is already here when it comes to drone deliveries. The mayor of Ontario got to be the first to receive a delivery by drone near a major airport.
Oh, this demonstration happened in the master plan community of New Haven. This is actually the first test service for a large city. New Haven teamed up with the city and tech companies to unveil drone delivery in their neighborhood. The drone then, guess what, hands off the beer to a robot who then carts it off.
Beer today, tomorrow's got to be pizza, right?
I hope so.
I hope so too.
A beer with a
Wow.
pizza, that sounds pretty
That
good too.
sounds
Combination.
Use a cold beer on a day like today.
Oh, sounds wonderful.
yes.
I'm always down for
Frosty one.
pizza.
Oh, yes, I'm like frosty one. You're like pizza. Okay.
I like pizza.
Both. Hey.
Yeah. I'm
never
down
too
for
hot for
both.
pizza.
I'm obviously thinking about dinner because we're getting close to that time, so food is just at the forefront of
That's
my
true.
mind.